Why Elon Musk sleeps at his factory. Elon Musk, the second richest man in the world with a surprising net worth of $167 billion, might not shock you, but his dedication and passion towards making Tesla a successful company is a thing that will literally surprise you. Despite having enough money to buy a 5-star hotel, the CEO of Tesla chooses to sleep at his factories, and this is not the first time. This man has even done it before. And if you're looking to know the answer behind why this man is sleeping at his factory and thinking to run Tesla like hell, you must watch this video. Hello guys, this is Connor from TechLocker, and today in this video, we'll look at why Elon Musk sleeps in his factory and why this man is pushing his limits further for Tesla. Hey, wait! Before starting our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. So let's get started. The news of Elon Musk sleeping in the Tesla factory is a routine now, and truth be told, it's always been that way for him. During his first startup, X.com, he couldn't afford to get an apartment, so he slept in the office where he would code the site at night and put it up online in the day. Tesla is now in a production hell, as Elon Musk calls it, as the company is able to manufacture only half the number of cars per week than it anticipated. When asked what exactly is it that he does staying in the factory overnight, as he doesn't paint the car or run the machines, Musk said, "I stay there because I can solve the problem in real time. I look at the board, I can see where the problem is, and make the correction and go check it out myself." Despite being rich, some things haven't changed for Elon Musk at all. Elon Musk sleeping at his factory has not been a secret anymore, because Tesla has faced several significant challenges that even Musk couldn't have the answer to it. In 2017, Elon Musk promised that he would achieve the target of 200,000 Model 3s and deliver it by the end of 2017. So to reach his goal and achieve it, Elon Musk invested in automation and especially factory robots. This man even said that the factory would like an alien dreadnought that will blow your mind. The manufacturing process is so futuristic and cost-effective that the factory would seem out of this world. However, the popular and excellent idea behind Elon Musk's theory didn't go well enough, and in 2017, Tesla ended up making only 2,700 Model 3s. When the company seemed to be shaken down by Elon Musk and his employees, several analysts began to think whether the company would ever be able to turn a profit or not. During the annual meeting of Tesla, Elon Musk talked about this time period and said that, "I definitely feel stress, yeah. It's like, we've been incredibly difficult and painful the last several months," Musk said. "Yeah, I'm sleeping on the factory floor, not because I think that's a fun place to sleep, terrible." During this troubling period, Musk began sleeping on the floor of the company's factory in a frame in California because he wanted to suffer more than any other employees. While remaining in his factory several days, this man wore the same clothes for 5 consecutive days. He also compared the circumstances at Tesla to those at General Motors, where he said executives use a designated elevator to avoid contact with other employees. At that, Elon Musk was on fire as he started to boost up the production to at least 5,000 new Tesla Model 3s every week, but ended up missing the deadline twice. However, despite several efforts that Elon Musk and his company made in making Tesla Model 3s, in July of 2018, Elon Musk sent out a company-wide email announcing that they had achieved the milestone and made 5,031 Model 3s. The success of Tesla hasn't always been the same for Elon Musk because the company continued to face several challenges. Due to these challenges, Elon Musk earlier said in April 2021 that he would control the direct oversight of Model 3 production. Later on, Musk tweeted that his job as the CEO of Tesla is to focus on the most critical problems that are happening currently with Model 3 productions. And increasing production of this car made Elon Musk sleep at Tesla factories on the conference room couch and sometimes even on the floor. This kind of dedication one must have towards his company to grow its business and enjoy the success of their company. While talking about his sleeping arrangements, Musk recently said he really believes that one should lead from the front line for his company's success, and that's why he is here. Elon, in his interview, while he was in Germany in his Tesla's factories, mentioned that he was planning to sleep in Giga Berlin. During his stay in Germany, Elon enjoyed several amazing nights in Tesla's factories and shared his fun times. Even his videos were posted on Twitter, and that's where Musk showcased how he set up a campfire on top of Tesla's Gigafactory in Nevada, whiskey roasting some marshmallows and singing along to Johnny Cash's Ring. The great idea of Elon Musk sleeping at his own factories when his company really needed him to boost the production of Model 3s seems that Musk is hardworking, and he is speeding up the production at a rapid rate to satisfy all his consumers. And now, the new model named Elon has already hit the success of Tesla and begun remaking a trillion-dollar industry. With all the successful companies, Elon Musk has already planned the future of cars for the next 10 years. His significant dedication towards ramping up the production of cars and making it possible for every user will bring him and his company to reach a certain level of height where no one will be possible to achieve. So do you think this man will sleep every night at his factory to make this company even bigger? And what do you think about Elon Musk's dedication and passion for sleeping inside his factory? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below, and we will be happy to hear from you. And if you are a fan of our videos, then be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for spending your quality time with us.